strong.
Hey guys, Alison here, back for another video, and today's video I thought I'll open up the other two V-Force tins. So I was able to get the Lucario and the Slowbro, Galarian Slowbro. So if you guys are questioning why the camera quality is different, it's because I'm using a different camera. So I'm hoping this looks decent. So yeah, was able to get the tins. I decided that I just can't leave it off with the new tin. You see, I've got the two card here. I really want. I'm going to plan on using this in my God of War deck because I am because I like God of War. I think she's a really cool Pokemon. When yeah. Let's crack these bad tins open. So yeah, obviously I can't. I thought I sliced this open. Apparently I didn't. There we go. So obviously you get the promo card, 4 packs, and a code card. Now the code card isn't really I don't really do the online. They made this plastic like really tough, and I don't know why. It shouldn't be this hard to remove this film. So let's start off with the Lucario. Oh, that just popped off. No, this packaging is a bit different to the Mew. When we got Mew, it was just plastic, so this is a bit different. So here it is, here's our code card, and here is our Lucario V. Oh, a bit little here. So we have, I believe it's 2 packs of Vivid Voltage. Yep, 1 Sword Shield and 1 Breakpoint. I think we get the same packs in all the tins, so let's start off with a Breakpoint. Code card and 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got the hang of that now. Apparently I don't. Okay. What? Is it free from the back in this set? Okay, sure. Why not, I guess. Oh no, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Okay, let's open up the Sword and Shield. Code, if anyone really cares. 4. Okay, energy switch. Line energy. Vulpix. Naked. Toy, Jameco? No, not Jameco. I can't speak. Grabby. We have a Hitmonchan, and we have a Rillaboom. Fair, got Rillaboom, but it's not the ability Rillaboom, because the ability one, which allows you to search energy, is a lot better. First pack of Voltage. Sadly, I still can't seem to get any Shining Fates, which is a bummer, because I still really want to get some Shining Fates. Oh no, well, now that's my second. Pretty sure I opened a box of this on my set, and here's a reverse hollow Cottony, and we have a Metatrick. last pack of the Lucario box. I could not get into that. Okay, that was more code. Okay, what's this card? Draw 3 cards. If you draw 3 cards. If you draw any cards in this way, discard up to 3 cards. Okay. So you draw 3, then discard 3. Hey, we have first hole Magina, here we go, and oh, that's it. What do you do? Luna Blast. Once your active Pokemon has attached to it, you may heal transform it. That's pretty cool. So, okay, so from the Lucario, we didn't pull anything that impressive, but there's always Galarian Slowbro. Let's really just want to pop off, don't we? There you go, this is our Galarian Slowbro. I'll pop him here. Yeah. There we go. Our 4 packs. So again, let's start off with Breakpoint. I'm going to do 3 from the back, maybe that's how it is with these. I don't know. Gyarados Spirit Link. Misty's Determination. Arcanine and then a Growlithe, sure. Pancham, Lillipup. Oh, Electivire. Oh, Alf. If it was choose Alf, Electabuzz, and Magmar, it would be Electabuzz. He is my favourite. And we got Luxray. Hey! 2 of my favourite electric types. Nice! And I still can't wait to play Pokemon Brilliant Diamond. It's gonna be... I'm so hyped. If you guys didn't know, I'm starting up a second channel called Elysian Splat, which is my gamer tag and my Twitch name. So if you guys want to pop over to there at I'll be getting a new PC in April, hopefully April, so I should be able to upload a lot more. I should be able to get a lot more done, and I should be able to stream on Twitch. So I'll leave that in the description, a link to my to both my Twitch and my second YouTube channel. So let's see what's in this Sword and Shield set. Yamper. Oh, Gookie, nice. I got rid of him in the last one. We got a Team Yell Grunt, Reverse Hollow, and we have Machina. No. My Pico. Damn, I'm bad today. So it would be nice to get like a full art or something, or another V Pokemon, because it will just be kind of nice to at least pull something from these packs. Or another Jolteon. First Ninjask. And okay, we have a Orbital V, which is actually pretty nice. If you guys haven't seen the shiny is like really nice blue. I'm a sucker for shiny blue Pokemon, aka God of War. But yeah, we did in fact pull a V. I think the last in the Mutant we pulled a Galarian Damanitan, which was something. Like, I like Damanitan. Like, other than Gen 4, I did play a lot of Gen 5 on the DS because they had a new variety of Pokemon. Every single Pokemon was new, which was very interesting. Okay, last pack. What can we end off with? Charmander. Okay, we have a reverse hollow Nuzleaf. Love this. Love C-Dot. Again, I'm a sucker for Gen 3, and a little bit of a sucker for Gen 4 since that was the one I played a lot. And okay, and that's it. We don't have. But just like the last, so far, out of 2 tins, we did pull a V. It would have been nice to pull at least more than one, but we do have these these gorgeous looking V cards, which I'm pretty sure last time I opened up, I think when I opened up a Darkness Ablaze, I think I opened up a Galarian Slowpoke. Or was it a Slowbro? No, it must have been a Galarian Slowpoke. No, because it was V. I don't know, I'll have to look. But yeah, that's been my Pokemon V-Force dual tin opening. Hope you guys have enjoyed my little rant. I hope you guys like the way I'm uploading the camera. Because I've actually got it on a tripod. And this will be the camera I'll be streaming with. It's probably not the best camera, but it's all I can get at the moment with the funds I have. But yeah, I'm gonna plan on doing a lot more videos. I do have a special box opening coming whenever that box arrives. I did pre-order it back in January, so it should be here. It should be here in a couple weeks. I want to say 1 to 2 weeks. Honestly, can't remember what that set's called now. It's lost my mind. But other than I'm on a rant, so I'll leave you guys here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave down the comments below on like what else do you want to see. Do you want to see more tins, like the star decks? And speaking of comments, I would like to ask to stop with to add an incident in my last video, the Mew V, that someone linked a time and then a link to an adult site. So I would please refrain from ever doing that again. I ended up deleting that comment. So can you stop doing that, please? Thank you. So yeah, after that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.